So hello guys. Today we are going to see how Microsoft is including AI gradually in Windows 11. No, I'm not talking about Copilot plus places, but talking about Windows 11 in general. Like everyone is going crazy by seeing how good Apple or Samsung are doing with, especially in the photos editing department. But I'm going to say you, Microsoft is not very far behind. First of all, I'm not talking about Copilot PCs as I have already clarified. Let me just clear the air. I will show you my specifications. As you can see, my one is running on Windows 11 Home Edition, and I am not even on 24H2 yet. Uh, and I am running on an AMD processor from like 3-4 years old. So let's see what are all the new features without wasting further time. Yeah, let's quickly open a photo and get ready with the features. Basically what you have to do is click on the edit button right here. Wait, let me show you the app version first. As you can see, my photos app is from some version from 2024. You can check your version number here. If your version is like earlier than this, you might be needing to update your PC. So let's get to the features. You have to click on edit there. So I won't be explaining you all the features like the basic ones. This is for crop, this is for light adjustment, this is for filtering. Yeah, earlier I think this option was not there. Like this is using AI practically to auto enhance the picture. But we are here especially about these two features. Like these two are the new features which are working with AI. One is the generative erase feature, and one is to like background blur the photo or like take a cutout of that picture. We'll see it one by one. Apart from these, there are two other extra features. One is for restyling and another is a super resolution feature, like which increases the resolution of the photo. But these two features are exclusive for Copilot plus PCs, and today we are not saying Copilot exclusive features. So let's start with this generative eraser feature. Generative eraser is nothing like we have already seen it in phones, but in Windows it's not particularly working good with human objects, but it's good enough with like random objects in a picture, like this ball here, for instance. If we do this, we'll try to erase that ball from that picture, and I'm going to show you all of this is happening like there is some amount of load on the processor, because whenever I do a AI task, my memory consumption and CPU usage just shoots up and my fans start to cool up. See, as I have said, it's not very good with human objects, but it does the job. It's when you try to remove a human totally from the picture, that's when you will get into problem with it. Let's try this once. I have sped up this part, but you have to select the boundaries carefully. Later on I will also show you an option where the Photos app selects the, it's not necessarily the Photos app, I will show you another app which is by Microsoft itself, which selects the boundaries automatically, but for now you have to select the boundaries carefully. See, as I said, when you totally like try to remove a person from that picture, it has problems. But like with sufficient price, it will get the job done. Like for this experiment, I will be going to doing it repeatedly. Whenever you feel like the desired output is not matching your taste, you can just press Ctrl G or undo the last regeneration made by the AI. Like this is the output I have received after like trying for 5 to 6 times. All things considered, I don't think it's done a bad job. Now let's get to the next feature, which is like background blur. Yeah, for this, the AI has detected uh, a cutout. You can adjust this cutout by selecting the brush tool here, and what it done is like uh, it might have chosen not to select all the areas which we have edited via AI, but we'll just select those areas manually. So once we have done that, like just I'll click on blur right now. See, it has blurred the picture. Like this is professional level editing, guys. Uh, what's nowadays easily done on mobile phones. Even Microsoft is uh, helping us get it on Windows PCs. Like we can use this to replace the background with some other color. This might be like particularly useful when you want to make a portrait photo of yourself, removing all the backgrounds, or like just need to take out a cutout of yourself or someone. Now let's try these features with some non-human objects. Let's try this one for example. Just click on edit, go to generative erase, and just erase this. I have done a mistake. Like I should have completely selected that, or else it will be bothering me with some random suggestion. See, it has taken out that color. Like, so let's completely select this for once. See, it has done a very good job. Like with objects and all, it's doing fine. With human objects, with the humans itself, it's facing some problems. Let's try some other picture. You have to open it in the default Photos app itself. This will be easy. This will be like it's only a blank canvas for the AI will crunch to this photo. Yeah, let's try this one. In the last photo, you are seeing that the leg was behind the ball, so it struggled. But in this photo, you can see that the ball is ball is not hiding the leg. So in this photo, it should be able to comfortably remove the ball. Even with human objects, it's not like it can't do, but it takes like 3 to 4 attempts before it can remove a human completely. But with objects, you can see that the quality here might not be very to the mark, but it does the job. Like this is the editing tool which you are getting natively in the Photos app. Now let me show you some other thing. Microsoft was also working on another app which is known as the Designer. Let's click on remove here. What it does is it just it intelligently detected the objects and removed the whole of the background. Let's undo this. Let's blur the image. Like in that Microsoft Edit app, you had to do certain things manually. Here everything can be automated. You can select whichever color we want here. Let's undo this. There's also an option to selectively edit the feature. You have to select like objects. Now you can take a cutout of that or make a color pop. Just select this it, and everything else will be like monochromed, or like make a focus area. Now this designer thing uses AI to a higher extent. So like just hovering the mouse over the objects gives you the AI outline. But under this designer option, you can't like erase and all. This requires a 365 subscription, but you get the option to work with layers, and like you get more options for adding text and markup. So yeah, Microsoft has made basic editing very easy for us. We need not go for very heavy softwares like Photoshop and Mel. We can do all these things natively. I didn't install a single app for showing you all of for doing all these editings. Not only these guys, on non-Copilot PCs also we are getting the option for live captions. Let me just show you. Like whatever video, if we play something in the background, it gets captions automatically. It's nice to know that Microsoft developments are not only focused towards Copilot PCs, but also for other normal PCs which are running Windows 11. That's all. Thank you guys.